What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Turf Therapy. Hey, it's warm out here today, guys, so we're not going to make this one too long. We're going to harvest up some squash. Y'all know my favorite, patty pan squash. Then we're going to pull off some lemon cucumbers, right? And then we got these jokers I've been waiting on for almost 8 months. Now, this is my first time doing garlic in the garden, so we'll see how it goes. But for me, based off everything I've read, you know, the bottom few layers are dying back. We have the soft neck body that is kind of leaning over. So everything is pointing towards these jokers being ready. So we're gonna get them up. But before we do that, like I said, let's go ahead and knock out a few other things and show you what's going on in the garden real quick. Now, I know you guys are tired of hearing me talk about this patty pan squash, but I'm telling you, man, this one little plant is so prolific. I believe the last time I showed y'all this plant, I was live and I pulled off about 3 of these squash off this one plant. And look, it's already harvest time again. And that was only about 2 days ago. So that's pretty cool. Now down here though, we got plenty of action. Let me bring you down here so you can get a good look. There is plenty of action in the cucumber land. So these are lemon cucumbers. I think these are the most amazing cucumbers out there that I have ever tasted. These things are, oh, look at it. I mean, it's about the size of a baseball, nice little hearty size of a baseball. And these things are both, like the skin is nice and soft. It tastes delicious. You don't need to worry about peeling them. They're really good as a slicer, eat them raw, or I think they'll be really good pickled. So I think there's a few more in here hiding. So we're gonna go after them. Yep, there's another one right there. See if I can sneak attack this one. Gotcha. Okay, we got another one. It's a healthy size too. I think there's another one back here. Dude, I think I'm gonna let that one get bigger. Now that I see that they can get much bigger than the original size I harvested them at, I'm gonna let that one get bigger. And now there's plenty more cucumber all up and through here. So that lets me know that my days of harvesting is still in good shape because we have plenty. But we also have a whole nother plant over here. So I'm not gonna get too greedy. I'm just gonna take those 3 and then let's jump over here and see what we have going on this plant. Ooh, look at this one. And I think, can I? Yep, I can. Just twist it off. Yeah, that's a decent size one. We'll add you to the basket. Now, for the moment I've been waiting for. I don't know if y'all been waiting for it, but I have been waiting for it. I planted these, don't give me the line. I wanna say it was October. Late October is when I got these in the ground. Now we're in June, late June. So we've waited a lot of time. They have the look that I wanna be looking for. When it comes to this, let me get you guys closer. So we're gonna loosen up the soil with this garlic. Garlic's root system tends to be extremely robust when it's mature. So you definitely want to loosen up the soil around it. You don't want to just try to pull it up by its neck. So I think I got a first bulb right here. And look at that. Yeah. Hey, I can't complain at all. I'm just using my hands at this point, guys, because I don't want to split this bulb. I can bring this hoary knife back in here now that I can clearly see the bulb. And I don't know if you know this, but I also have, man, that one, these roots, they really get in there. Oh, that's another wonderful bulb. It looks like my timing was just right on this. Big fat cloves. Looks like this one was just about ready to separate, so that's good. We got in there just in time. You don't want to rinse these off either, guys. Nope, don't want to rinse them off. I'll show you what we're gonna do with the end once we finish pulling all these up. All right, guys, so this is our yield. We got 1, 2, this is insane, 3, 4. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna knock off a little bit more of this dirt and then we're gonna hang them to cure. That's what we're gonna do. But we have quite a bit of clothes, guys. I don't think I'll be buying garlic for the remainder of my stay here in Maryland. Just trying to get a running count real quick. So that's 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's 12. Oh snap, this is dope. That's 18. 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 bulbs of garlic. That's awesome. So, like I said, once these cure out, I think I'm covered on garlic for a while, guys. So this is super easy. I highly recommend doing garlic in containers, especially since they take up space for 8 months. 8 months, you're gonna have space that you can't use. And buying one of those concrete mixers from your big box store, they're relatively cheap. I really truly think that's the best way to go when doing these garlic. So all in all, I said we did a bang up job, especially since this is my first time ever growing garlic. That's dope. That pretty much wraps this episode up. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Until next time, y'all know where I will be, right here in the garden. Peace.